Psalms 18:1. I love you, Lord, my strength.
My God is big, so strong, so mighty. My God.
Hey y'all, I don't know why I'm so happy, but welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I put the baby hairs on my synthetic wigs. Y'all, this is a highly requested video and it's so simple. So just stay tuned and enjoy the show, honey. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut the lace off of your wig. The lace is off, and as you can see, I left about ½ an inch of lace on it. I'll explain to you guys later why I do that. I got this trick from Chanel Me Up. I'll leave her link in the description box so you guys can see it. Also, you want to take 2 clips and just move the hair out of the way before you put the gel down. Then I'm going to take my rat tail comb. I like using this one with the steel end because it's more precise. I'm just going to go ahead and line up that part. Make sure all the hair is on the right side. Then this right here is a really important part. So let me just go ahead and zoom in for y'all. Y'all like them eyebrows? I know. But y'all, so what I do is I take just a little piece out of the front like so. And I don't like my I don't like my baby hairs to be super thick, so I just take like little thin pieces. And then what I'm going to do is grab my tweezers and I'm just going to pluck above it. It's just like making a frontal. I don't know if you ever made a frontal, but I'm just going to tweeze it until my desired look. You want to make sure you hold it down. You don't want to rip the lace, and just keep plucking, y'all. After the plucking is complete, I'm going to take my scissors again and I'm going to cut the baby hairs. Now, you want to make sure you cut it at an angle. You don't want to cut it straight across because your baby hairs are really not straight across. And then I'm going to use my favorite gel. Got to be ultra glued in the black bottle. I don't know about the yellow, but I love my black, honey. And I'm just going to get like a really dime size. And I'm also going to grab my toothbrush that I brushed my teeth with this morning. Tight. And I'm just going to put it on the lace as well as the hair, and that's where the lace comes into play. The lace, once you put the glue on the lace or the gel on the lace, it's like extra security, an extra hold for the wig. And then I'm just going to swoop her with my finger and you can use a toothbrush, you can use a rat tail comb, you can use whatever you really want, but I choose to use my toothbrush. Now this part, y'all, takes a lot of time, so just be patient and make sure your hair is laid the correct way, honey. You do not want to rush this. I'm telling you, you do not want to rush this part. Y'all, I'm such a clown. But next, after all my baby hairs are complete, I get my cotton scarf, which you do not want. I recommend everyone to get a silk scarf because the cotton scarf, it typically kind of like lifts the baby hairs up sometimes, but I've been doing this for a while, so I kind of can finesse it. You know, I'm used to it. But I suggest that you invest in a silk scarf, and I will be purchasing one this weekend. Now at this point, I let this stay on my head for about 10-15 minutes. I check Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, make a couple of phone calls, listen to some music, you know what I'm saying, let time pass me by.
Why?
Well, that's not nice. Girl, you behind. Now that she's dry, I look her over. Now during this part, I do take a little bit of water and I get a little rid of the glue, a little bit of the residue. And I also use my contour powder, and I do cover up any lace that you may see. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but I see a little bit of lace, but don't worry, that's gonna get covered up. And then I'm just gonna brush her out, honey, shake her loose, and we are good to go. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl me. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.